In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete all shared posts on Facebook in one click. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end of this tutorial so you don't miss out on any important information. So in saying that, now let's begin. So first, open up your Facebook app. Click onto the three horizontal lines that should be located top right hand corner of your screen. And then here, scroll down where it says settings and privacy, click onto that. And then click into settings. And then on this page, scroll down where it says your activity and click on just below that activity log. So on this page here, click on your activity across Facebook and that'll bring down a few options. And now we're under where it says post, click on manage posts. It will bring you to another screen. So where it says filters, click onto filters. And then click on categories. Click on your post, check in photos and videos. And now to delete all your shared posts and post here, click on all. And then down below it should say trash, click on trash. And now this will move all your posts, share posts and all that stuff to trash. Just like that. And now it might say it may take time to process all of your changes. Give it a few minutes, up to an hour for that to process. I'll just refresh the page. So you can come back here and then on this page you can click trash. And this is where all the posts and shared posts will come. And then if you want to delete them completely off your Facebook, click onto all. And then click on delete. And then just click on delete again to confirm. You can restore it, but in this case, just want to delete it. Alright, thanks guys for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like the video and subscribe to our channel if you found this video helpful. We really appreciate your support and it helps us out a lot. Cheers guys.